Hello everyone, today we're gonna do another ice cream. I'm gonna show you how you can make delicious caramelized milk ice cream at home. So let's do it. So the first thing we need is milk. So I'm gonna put it inside a pot and cook it on low heat until I reduce it from 1800 grams to 500. Make sure you don't burn it and mix constantly. When I reach 500 grams, I put sugar and salt in and move everything inside the blender. In the meantime, I prepare an ice bath. And then I mix lactic acid inside the milk and blend it properly for a few minutes. Pass it through the chinois and cool it down on ice bath. Then I move it inside the ice cream machine and wait for job to be done. And ice cream is done. I just take it out from the machine and make a nice quenelle. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And on Sunday, I'm gonna show how you can use it in final recipe. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.